Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have bird graphics set these files in PNG and AI for Adobe Illustrator. Here is all in one for Adobe Illustrator AI file, and here PNG file for mobile editor or Photoshop anywhere. Here is some background from web. So first I show you. Here is the flat black convert in low resolution. Okay, or you can adjust your own choice. I tell you just for example right here, or you can change color. See here, apply gradient overlay, your choice, or your graphic color, depend on your graphic color. Okay, you write any poetry, and I close this file, open other files. Look like a ghost home. Wow, drag this file on Photoshop, enter. Wow, look like original. These for writing anything and design. You can adjust more better. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.